2001 Honda Odyssey here. We're going to be doing an EGR valve on it. This is going to be a P0401 code if you have it. There's a couple other things that can cause it, buildup and such, but in this case we have an EGR issue, so we're going to change the EGR. So the part number is 4 F as in Frank 1006. Here is the new EGR that we will be putting in, and let me show you where the old one is. Now I've already taken off the bolts to the cover. You don't have to do this. You can get at it right down here on the right, but I'm going to do this because we're making the video. So I've already pulled loose those bolts. Let's set that off of the plenum and set that off. Now you can see it a little bit better right there. So the first thing we want to do is unclip this clip. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. And you push down in the middle, and it's going to take 2 hands. The clip actually was towards the outside right there where you push. I couldn't see it. So I got that off. Now we're going to have two 12mm nuts, one on that side, one on that side, and they're simple to get out. If you had an extension with a socket, you don't have to use air, but I have air, so why not? Okay, pulled both of the nuts off, and now you're just going to reach down in there and wiggle it straight out. There's our old one right there. Pretty simple. Boy, she's gummed up pretty good too. So let's grab our new one here, and we'll set it back down in there and reverse the process. Okay, I have both of those tightened up. Now the clip will just slide right back on, just like that. And now I have pulled these and reinstalled them without pulling that cover. But I gotta tell you, since I just did it to show you the video so you can see it better, that only took a second to pull that off. That was so much easier. So take a second and pull those 4 10mm bolts off, and then these just twist with the screwdriver. Again, normally I just get in there with a ratchet and do it. I mean with a ratchet wrench, but in this case I could use the socket with the air. That was so much quicker. So let's button it back up. Now, will your code light or engine light go away with the P0401 code? Not necessarily. Sometimes you have to tell the computer that you made the fix. So either A, disconnect the battery cable for about 10 minutes and then put it back on and go start it. That'll reset the ECU and clear the engine light. Or B, if you have a code reader, an OBD code reader, plug it in and clear your codes. And then if it comes back, you know you have a different issue with a plugged line or a plugged, there's a routing line through there that goes underneath the plenum that sometimes can cause that problem, which actually I will be doing on an Acura later today. So if you need that video, click on my name underneath this video and it'll go to all my other how-to videos and show you how to clean that process if you need to. But in this case, this is going to take care of our problem. Check engine light will go away. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all the other how-to videos, about 270 of them now. And thank you guys so much for all your great comments. As always, enjoy.